So this was the one example of this. Here the another is the smart agriculture, smart irrigation, greenhouse control, plant monitoring. We can use the IoT. These are somewhat for the plant monitoring here. Niti ma'am, there is a request from my side. If there is 5 minutes left, then please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will
Um,
tell you before and when the 10 minutes will left, so we can start the queries from students. We can take the queries from students.
yeah, ma'am. Only 2 to 3 minutes. I will mind.
Okay, okay, no problem, sir. है ना? You, हाँ, okay, sir.
Now this is the application, the health monitoring, fitness monitoring wearable here. This one, and this is the scenario in the today's pandemic era. That is the monitoring staff and patient and inventory here. Now there are the some projects that were on the base of this IoT. This was the first was the 2016 in the Ujjain one in the Sinhast. Why the project that project were appreciated by central government also. This is the scenario. Now you are in the real world. This is the scenario that how we will start the project, how we'll communicate, then how the diagram will be there. These were the some projects here. These are the some agriculture implementation here. In the real scenario, this is the smart attendance system implementation here. This is the smart security system here. This is the smart dustbin. This was the earlier version. This is the latest version. It will give all the reading on the cloud server. And this is the smart floor cleaning robot here. And this is the smart home automation system. This was the smart printer, that is the IoT based pen printer is there. This is the smart robot. This is the somewhat the dancing robot. That's the versions now going on. And this here, this one, the smart city. What is inside the smart city? Monitoring the water contamination, waste management, traffic congestion monitoring, and decision support system, and air pollution monitoring, smart grid and metering, smart healthcare, smart parking. Here the e-governance system and the gas filling system here. Now I want to go for the one that is the scenario here. This one. This is the life when the IoT will be implement, then the life will be simplified like this. Ma'am, after this video, we will start the question answer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, one more thing that I want to show you, and that is this your city, that is the smart city.
Okay.
What is inside your smart city till now? That is the smart city. There is the projects here, smart city project, that is the coast. I will not go to the coast. These are the labs are here, incubation center labs. And you see, this is the smart pole that is inside your city. Here, this is you can use the smartphone for that integrated platform. This is the smart map. You will find the smart map in your mobile. This is the smart cycle is here. You know very well regarding these cycles. That is inside your city. And here, this is the PBS mobile application that's for the smart cycle here. And this is the smart road in your city. 5 meter wide and 12 kilometer long integrated BRTS and the public bike share. And this is the smart parking here. Now, this is the smart street also here in your city, that is in the planning. And this is the marketing place here. And this is one the integrated control and the communication center that is inside your city. So this is the unique model. There is the cloud-based DC and DR integrated. The platform model are here. So this was the regarding the smart city in your city.